Welcome to Element Wednesbury site. To ensure your safety, please listen to this safety, health and environment visitor induction. This induction will cover signing in and out, emergency and evacuation procedures, fire safety, risks and hazards, first aid, and the site's safety rules and information. Signing in and out. On arrival, please access the site via the visitor car park. Access to the building is through the main doors to reception. Please ensure that you contact reception to sign in and out, including for breaks, as this helps us ensure we can account for you in the event of an evacuation. All visitors must be pre-arranged with an assigned Element host. Emergency and evacuation. Escape routes are clearly highlighted throughout the building. In the event of an evacuation, a continuous alarm will sound. Please use the nearest available emergency exit and report to the assembly point, which is located by the visitor car park or rear yard, and await further instructions. Personal emergency evacuation plans. If you require assistance in navigating the site, particularly during an emergency or evacuation, have any medical conditions we need to be made aware of, or if you are a new or expectant mother, please let your Element host know. A designated fire warden will discuss any arrangements with you and ensure they are in place to support you during an emergency. We will advise you on areas to avoid which may be hazardous. Fire safety. Our fire alarm is tested on Mondays at 10:00 a.m. Due to the nature of works undertaken by flammability testing, there will be fire inside the lab. Please do not be alarmed. Works creating significant heat or sparks may only be undertaken by competent people and require a documented hot works permit. All waste materials must be disposed of correctly or removed from site as soon as practicable. Keep doors, walkways, and firefighting equipment clear. Do not use fire extinguishers to prop open doors. All electronic equipment must be fit for purpose and undamaged. Do not charge vapes, e-bikes, or any other personal high-risk devices on site. Hazards, prohibitions and PPE requirements. Forklift trucks, MEWPs, winlets, and HGVs operate throughout the site and yard areas. Make yourself visible to drivers before you put yourself in their path, always receive confirmation that you have been seen, and remain vigilant at all times. Stick to the designated safe walking routes where possible. There is machinery in operation which has moving parts. Always keep body parts away from these machines and avoid approaching them. Signage regarding hazards, prohibitions and PPE requirements for individual work areas are clearly highlighted at access points and on doors throughout the facility. These requirements must be adhered to at all times. In all lab areas, as a minimum, you are required to wear safety glasses. This includes safety over glasses, if you wear prescription glasses, safety footwear and a hard hat in designated areas. If you are uncertain, please discuss this with your Element host prior to entering the work area. Permits to work. Irrespective of the nature of the work taking place, Element Wednesbury coordinates the work of contractors, clients, and engineering functions via permit to work system. Depending on the nature of the work, higher risk activities are also covered by a permit, such as elevated work, hot works, electrical work and confined space entry. Permits will be issued at the start of work and must be adhered to. Any deviation must be reported to the permit issuer. Risk assessments, method statements, and relevant insurance must be supplied and reviewed prior to the works taking place. In the event of site evacuation due to emergency, all permits shall be cancelled and require reinstatement. First aid. First aiders are identified on signage within the building. In the unfortunate event of injury, please report this immediately to your Element host or other Element contact. There are a number of first aid boxes around the site, which can be easily identifiable by the first aid posters. A burn kit and defibrillator are located in reception, and eye wash treatment, diphoterine, is located in the chemical lab. Telephone numbers of who to call are in red on the screen. Site rules and information. Visitors must be hosted at all times. Smoking, including vaping, is only permitted in the designated smoking areas. There is limited space within our laboratory. Therefore, only a maximum of 4 persons from your company can attend the site on any one day. If you require more than 4 persons, please contact your Element host in advance to discuss. Staff are there to ensure the safety of Element colleagues and visitors. Please adhere to staff instructions to help keep you and others safe. Failure to adhere to instructions may result in you being asked to leave site. All on-site contractors and clients are expected to maintain the highest standards of professional conduct at all times. The organization operates a zero-tolerance policy. Any concerns will be escalated to the relevant organization, and serious or repeated breaches may result in removal from site and further action. Confidentiality. Unless authorized, the use of all cameras, including mobile camera phones, or any other video or audio recording device is strictly prohibited. Thank you for listening and completing this safety, health, and environment induction. If you have any questions, concerns, or potential improvement opportunities, please contact your Element host. We look forward to welcoming you on site.